In this lecture snippet, I'm going to be using the calculator that comes in Ubuntu to actually do some calculations or conversions between binary, decimal, and hexadecimal formats. But before I do that, I just wanted to give you a visual representation of the different formats. In binary, we have only two numbers we work with, 0 and 1. And so just like we would in any other numbering system, the next number that would come in line just kind of repeats the pattern again. So after 0, then 1, it would be 1, 0. And then we would see 1, 1, and then the number just keeps growing, 1, 0, 0, and then it's going to be 1, 0, 1, and the number just keeps repeating. So basically every alternating last digit, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, and then they're going to go and basically grow like we do with the decimal numbering system, where we actually see 1, 0 as our next digit, our set of digits, and then 1, 1, and then 1, 2, and then 1, 3, and then it just keeps growing from there. 1, 4, and then 1, 5. So we'll see that the value 15 actually is the same value as F in hexadecimal. And so hexadecimal starts counting 0 through F. And you can see that after F would then be 1, 0, and then a 1, 1, and then a 1, 2, and a 1, 3, and a 1, 4. And so it can get a little confusing back and forth how our numbering systems work. What I want to do is just show you how to easily convert these using the calculator in Ubuntu. So I'm going to go ahead and open up the calculator, and we're going to switch the modes. I'm going to go from the basic mode to the programming mode. And this is going to give me the ability to switch back and forth between different numbering types. And so if I go down to hexadecimal format, I can actually see that the numbering system goes from 0 to F, and I can just do a set of hexadecimal digits like A, F. And what we'll see here is over on the top right hand corner, 175 is the decimal value of that number. So AF is the same thing as saying 175 in decimal. They also give us a breakdown of the actual binary, ones and zeros, and if we look here, it's going to end up taking up 8 bits. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 in sets of 4. They have it broken down for us. So AF is actually represented by 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1. And so we can actually convert back and forth between these numbering systems very quickly and very easily. And so if I go back up here and change some of these from, let's say from AF, I backspace and get those out of there. Let's say I do 20, which looks like 20. However, because it's in hexadecimal format, the 20 actually represents 32 in decimal. And if we go down here, we'll see that it actually represents 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0 in binary. And so if we're using a hex editor and trying to convert from a hex editor, if we take these digits, these hexadecimal values in sets of 2, and we plug them into this particular calculator, we can easily convert it over to the binary value as well as the decimal value of all of those hexadecimal digits. So this is using the calculator to convert between hexadecimal, decimal, and binary here in Ubuntu.